Hi everybody, this is Tyler. We're just out and about here at Busch Gardens, Tampa, and we're here at the end of the season for Howl O Scream. So they had all the merchandise 50% off. So I saw these pins, the mystery pins for the naughty nurses and for past scares. So I had to get some. Oh, they were 50% off, I couldn't turn them down. So I'm gonna open them up and let y'all see what I got. So I'm gonna start with one of the naughty nurses here. I think I want, let's see, I think I want that one, and this one, and that one. I think I want them two.
Okay.
So
Tyler's got an audience, by the way. We have guest stars, Molly and David.
Chris is over there looking for wine.
Chris is on the alcohol hunt.
On the alcohol hunt, as usual.
What do you have?
I don't have none yet.
Oh, and me, of course. I'm here filming.
That's it. Oh, that's what she does on Halloween. She films and holds people straight.
All right.
All right.
All right. First box. So we open up the first box of the naughty nurses.
Okay.
Move these over here on the
All
side here. All right. Here goes first bag. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're gonna break it before you even.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, what'd you get?
I got one of the ones I wanted. You can dig
Okay,
it.
hold on. It's trying to focus. Okay.
I got one of the ones I wanted.
Yay.
So,
Okay.
Wow, something worked out for you today.
Yes.
worked out for me today. You
Since
can
the
dig
line
it.
at Chick-fil-A didn't.
Yes.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right.
What's the next one?
You can dig it.
Okay.
All right.
Oh,
So.
you get two?
Huh?
Yeah.
All right. So I got the It Takes Guts to enter the garden. I think that was from the Lady of the Garden years.
Oh, okay. I like the Lady of the Garden.
Okay,
here.
so this one's from the Lady of the Garden years, and this one was from the Unearthed years.
Okay.
Let me get my trash here.
Yeah. Don't be littering up the park. Oh, wind's blowing though. Okay.
Alright, so I'm on, I guess we'll just go ahead and do this other box.
Of the nurses. That's what usually happens to us.
Alright, let's see what else we got to get here.
Yeah, what are our other choices?
Need to get that top.
Mike can get that top one. Oops, it's trying to focus.
Uh-oh.
It's got beer.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Takes
Okay.
Guts.
Oh, he got another. It
no.
takes guts.
Oh, David.
You gonna have some pin trading to do today.
David jinxed it on me. Okay, that one's different.
Not a good sign.
I can already feel that one's different than that one.
Okay.
Well, good.
Let's see what we got here. Oh, I got the one I
You
wanted.
did get it.
Oh, did you get the one you wanted?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that one.
I'm not sure what year that one was.
Okay.
That's awesome. Dang.
Good deal.
Yay, you got three different
Yeah.
ones. That's good.
Three different
Okay.
ones.
Trash. Oh, you're not keeping the bags, the boxes?
I can.
Okay.
Alright, so
Now
on
we're in the
to
past.
The bone chilling scares from the past. Okay, alright, so this one, I really want the deconstruction the doctor is in, and let's see, I kind of want the pain lane one too. That would be cool.
Okay. Now we haven't been coming to Howl O Scream Tampa as much as we
long,
did
but
Williamsburg.
I know these houses because I've kept up with them.
Okay.
Like the experiment, it was like an upcharge house, and alone as you walk through in like a little group.
Yeah. Did we do any of these mazes? Have we done any of these
The only
from the
one
past?
we've done is the basement, death row, vengeance, and blood asylum.
Okay.
So let's see what we get here. Alright, we'll start with this one.
That's too much.
Mhm.
Oh, I'm gonna go back and get some then.
Oh yes.
Yep, it's two
yes,
mystery pins in each.
Yes.
Oh, you got,
I got
the
it.
deconstruction you wanted.
Yes.
Okay.
Did you mention you got them for half off?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did.
We're already
50%.
starting- Already starting good. I wanted that one.
Yeah, both of them keep there.
Okay, so I got the blood.
Oh no, that's a kind of. Oh, now we didn't do blood asylum.
Yeah, we
That
did.
sounds
We
familiar.
did
Okay.
do blood asylum, yeah.
Okay. I was gonna say that one actually sounds
Kind
familiar.
of a bulky pen though.
That's a big pin.
Yeah.
It is.
Most of them I won't be wearing. I'll be putting.
Yeah,
some
we
of
got
these
the
up.
collection at home.
So I'm
The-
glad I got deconstruction.
The Blood Asylum, it was,
That was-
over near Montu, right?
Yeah, it was.
Where, near the cheetah hunt and right in there. Okay.
All right.
Well, you got both of the ones you wanted so far.
We need
so
Yeah.
Payne,
on the
we
canal.
need Payne Lane. Payne Lane. Come on, Payne Lane.
Oh. That looks kind of bulky.
Yeah, looks
It looks like another Blood Asylum.
Blood Asylum.
Well, I got another Blood Asylum. I thought by the way it looked.
Oh,
Oh no.
got the same pack.
Oh no.
Well, that's the luck of the draw. Got the same
You got
pack.
the same pack.
Oh well. At least I got the one I mainly wanted.
Yeah.
So that's it for the little impromptu pen trading video,
Yep.
pen collection.
So here's what we got. Maybe I'll consider some of his doubles mine. I'll go buy another box.
Yeah.
And let you open up another box maybe. All right guys, well that's it. Unless Tyler ends up buying another box
He will.
somewhere,
I
which he
will.
probably will. If so, we'll add to it. But thanks for joining us, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on.
Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
All right, bye. All right, we're doing a little addition to.
Yeah, addition to. I broke down and brought another one.
Yeah.
I really hope I don't get the same one.
So, hope he doesn't get. Which one did you get? Not the nurses, but the
I got the
past.
Yeah, the past houses.
Okay. All right. I picked this box out, so we'll see if I had any luck, or whether I just got you the same ones that you already had. Your feeling of it, is it the same one?
No.
Oh.
Actually, got the basement.
Oh, okay. And we've done the basement one.
Yeah.
It was one of the years that we've been.
Yeah.
So that's good. We'll try your luck on the other one.
What'd you get, Tyler?
He got one new, one different one. He got the basement.
Give him a
So-
thumbs up.
Oh, good gosh.
So Blood Asylum must be the one that is floating around a lot.
Yeah, got another Blood Asylum.
Yeah.
All right.
So 3 Blood Asylums, 2
Okay.
deconstructions, and 1 basement.
Well, at least it wasn't the very same box.
Yeah.
You got one in both, all 3 of them.
Yeah.
All right, I think that's it, right?
I ain't buying number. I just had a bad look. 3 Blood Asylums. Can't win for losing.
Ambassadors. We don't sell them. So, and how you can tell an ambassador pin? It'll have, the Busch Gardens will have a little coaster tree on it. Okay? And then these are the current ones that I have. Some of these. I have some
He
of
got that
these.
when he was here before. We've got that one at home.
Yeah, we have these from Busch Gardens, Williamsburg.
Yeah.
Do we have the Lady of the Gardens? I think we've got the Lady of the Garden, didn't we finally, Tyler?
Yeah.
And what they did was, this is from 2019. They took the same characters, but for this year they made them look like Valentine's cards.
Oh, okay. I know this video is upside down, y'all.
What's that Jack pen?
Oh, and we got that right there too. Remember we got it for you at Christmas.
Yeah.
And I've actually,
we have some of the presidential pins.
I've got the Waterlog
Yeah, the
from the Scoot
Yeah.
from Williamsburg.
Yeah.
That was presidential pen, I think.
Well, I got the Williamsburg Blue Wolf present.
Wow, okay.
That one's beautiful.
So anything in this book,
All right, so let me show these right here. This was this year's.
Yep, those are the current ones. I have on the board.
You got the Demon Street, I think, we should see up there.
Got some of them.
Yeah. Okay, there you go, Chris. All right, y'all, so Tyler might be saved on some of these multiples he got. Because we're in this store. Which one, what's the name?
Nature's Kingdom.
Huh?
Nature's Kingdom.
Nature's Kingdom. And they've got a pin board in here.
Is that one from Python right there?
Tell me a number.
79. 79.
No, this is...
She said you could do 2 trades. I'm sorry, was it 2 trades per
Trades per person per day.
per person per day? So if you want to do some pin trading, this is one place to come. Or you can, this is the only place to come, except for if you have the actual, you guys, if you have them on your lanyard or anything, can trade, right? Okay, so Tyler did trade 2 pins in there on the board.
I got rid of 2 of my blood asylums.
And what'd you get?
It's not Halloween themed, but it's coasters. So it's a Python one.
Okay.
Which is a past arrow looper they used to have. And then I got, they said that the ones that have the Busch Garden symbol on them are ambassador pins.
Okay.
So I got a Kumba one, which has got a little blemish on it, but oh well.
Okay.